Today is the day I propose to the love of my life. I love you so much, Gina. I have been dreaming of this day ever since we met. You complete me, Habibi. I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together and to make you Mrs. Hanna. Yeah. Will you marry me?
Oh my god, I feel like I'm dreaming.
Is this one? Oh, baby. Every day of my life. Everything good in my life. You just walked out of one of my dreams. So beautiful, leaving me blind for you.
Oh my god, 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 oh my god. I feel like I'm dreaming. I feel like I'm dreaming.
beef, pulo beef. مش عارف اقول ايه.
Congratulations, Amir and Gina. My heart is so full for you guys. May God wish you guys a lifetime of happiness and love. Love you guys.
Roses are red, violets are blue. Amira Rosie loves you.
So congratulations to my best friends since we were kids, since we were 7 years old. My heart is so full for them. May God bless you in your marriage. Gina, I love you and Amir.
Peter, put down that sign. Put down the sign.
Congrats, Amir and Regina. We are so happy for you guys. We can't wait for you guys to start your life together.
We wish you 1,000 years of happiness, and we guys wish you the best of luck. We hope you guys have a fantastic wedding, and you can count on us for anything.
We
We'll
love
be
you
here for
guys. We love you so much.
I hope next year me and Peter get married. We're planning on it, and it's gonna be very cute. And to come out to our wedding,
We have his mom's permission.
we're both gonna get married soon.
We have his mom's permission.
أنا مبسوطة جدا 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 فرحانة مش عارفة أقول إيه بس she's my baby. She's getting married هي وأمير. I'm very happy لأن both of them they're my little they're everything. They're everything to me. I love them. I love Amir. I'm happy for you حبيبي. I'm happy for you Amir. ربنا يسعدكم يا رب يا رب ويكتر أفراحكم أكتر وأكتر وأكتر. I'm really happy.
Thank you for, everything that you've done for me in the past, and I'm glad that you picked Amir. He's one of the most perfect people that you can ever pick. I was afraid that I wasn't gonna be able to let you go, but I'm just glad it was Amir. I'm thankful for that. He's the best man ever. I'm not getting married.
Say something to Gina.
Gina!
We know you just got proposed to. I'm hungry, okay?
Alright.
And I need to go to the buffet right now.
Buffet.
I feel like I'm dreaming. This is the best surprise ever. I feel so blessed to have Amir in my life with all our family and friends. I'm still like processing this whole thing. I feel like I'm dreaming. Better